Yo, what's cracking, y'all? I'm gonna bring y'all around with me today. This is gonna be my first vlog, so enjoy. I'm in Bali, Indonesia right now. Me and my girlfriend have been here for about a year, right over a year and like 24 days. Since the 1st of December last year, 2021 actually. So now it's almost 2023. We're 2 days away from Christmas, and this is gonna be my gift. Check it. We're gonna be out here, and y'all gonna be following me around today. I'm gonna be videotaping a lot of what's going on out here, show you guys a little bit of the culture, show you guys what's going on outside currently, and show you guys what we're doing in a day, a typical day in Bali, Indonesia, and also a few days before Christmas. I'm still unfamiliar with not having snow and not having Christmas trees and guys with gray beards walking around the city. You know what I mean? Now we're gonna show you what Christmas looks like, my perspective, in Bali, Indonesia. All right, so now that the teeth is brushed, ready to start the day. Look, I don't know if any other country does this or any other culture, but offerings is an amazing way for the whole city, the whole country, the whole island to show daily intention for their day. I think it's pretty fire. So I'm not gonna show you guys too much. I do wanna respect their culture, but here's what an offering looks like. It's basketball time out here playing with all Indonesians, no Westerns, representing the 1x1 jerseys. We're gonna have some fun playing some ball. So one of my vices that I still do down here is fast food. It makes me feel like at home and feel comfortable. You know, sometimes you gotta relax in your comfort zone. We made a stop at McDonald's. I was finished playing ball. I heard that the lights went out. So instead of trying to cook something at home or ordering late night, I just made a quick stop by the McDonald's that was close by. And as you can see, the lights went out. I came home and my girlfriend was just sitting there like scared of every noise you could think of, but she did her thing. I was proud of her, and I'll tell you how that went in the next video. So thank you for following me around today, and until next time, I'll check y'all later. Peace.